I'm Grant. This is my wife Esther. Esther and I have been dancing together for approximately 10 years. From Australia originally, and my background wasn't so much into sort of Latin American music, but I loved it very much. Approximately about 10 years ago, I took it upon myself to head down to a salsa class. I went there a few times, being quite nervous, but had such passion for it and was there always early, was always willing to help, put extra effort in. And then sometimes I was quite intimidated by the ladies that were there because I'm just a beginner. And then, I'd met Esther and, tried so many times to really learn a lot so I could be up near some of the ladies to have danced with and enjoyed so much. The passion that I have sort of met up with the enjoyment that I could see everyone else having. The time would fly so quickly. For 2 hours, it was like finished already. I don't want to go home. When's the next one? And so therefore I started to connect with Esther a little bit more and more every time I went there, and then we started to have such a great connection.
I am from Peru, so I actually born with music around. Like any Latin American people, music is part of our culture and every day. I left Peru and I moved to Melbourne with my family, and we always been keeping the tradition of dancing, as many other things. And Grant, my husband, also was involved. He met me through the dancing, and he started participating, follow where I was going. We keep going on the weekends and so on, and we become sort of, the Southern Cross Salsa.
We were there for a long period of time, and whether the class was full or it was half, we would always try and help out with anyone else that needed help. We learnt the techniques because you can dance and then you need to learn the techniques as well. So I'd imagine that the teacher sort of saw this in us, and I suppose when it come time to, for the teacher to have his family and grow his family, he offered us if we could start learning and start teaching. It was daunting, but it was exciting. We become obviously husband and wife, married, toured. We went all over South America. I said, yeah, we're going there. Went there for 2 months, went to Cuba, went to Peru, went to everywhere possible to take in all the excitement of the Latino world for me. And obviously Esther was, loved to go back to her home country as well. The excitement and the entertainment you get through dancing, and you dance with many different people from many different places, and you get to work on your strengths, your weaknesses, and you become a better dancer. But most of all, everyone enjoyed it, from teenagers to 20s, 30s, 40s, and it's really a community-based dance. We dance the Rueda, which is the casino Rueda, and it's high intense. We dance from partner to partner to partner, and I think it just grew from there. That's the hardest thing, is to try and bring people in, especially Australians, because their deep roots aren't full of that type of music all the time. So it helped many Australians and multicultural Australians as well to come to our class down in the south. And I think that we've built it up not only for dancing, but as a community too, which brought their mothers and their daughters and their sons, and they all felt quite comfortable coming in there, not too intimidated. So it was quite good. We enjoyed it quite a lot. We started to really put a lot of effort into many different shows, from beginners to advanced, and we really enjoyed it.
Hi everybody, come and join us at the Southern Cross Salsa with Sabores Latinos. Come and have fun with us. It's all about dancing. Shake your body and enjoy together with us. Bring
your family, bring your friends. It's quite easy to learn. The steps are very, very easy. You'll have lots of fun. There's plenty of high energy. The salsa will keep you going all night. Come and join us, have plenty of fun, enjoy the dance, enthusiasm, and enjoy the whole night with us.